Modesty and welcome back to my channel. So today, once again, I am so excited for this video. I am doing another collection review. And yeah, before I tell you what I'm going to be reviewing, which you probably guessed it by the title, but alright guys, so for the question of the day, I would like to know what you guys did for the 4th of July. As for me, the military base was holding a fireworks thingy-bobber. They were doing like a whole day thing, but you know, with kids, they can't handle the whole thing. So we just went to the fireworks part, but it was still a ton of fun. But now onto the video. I am going to be reviewing for you guys the PatrickStarrr MAC Summer Star collection. I've never ever reviewed a MAC collection on my channel, nor have I ever purchased a MAC collection. So I'm so thrilled to be able to be doing this. So I ordered off Ulta.com. like I think a few days after it went live, and then it took like a million years to get here. But it's here and I'm excited and I'm ready, and we're going to go ahead and dive right in. Here is the packaging, and hang on. I just reviewed the Wet n Wild collection for summer launch. Is it just me, or is the little zigzag pattern like a thing this summer? Is that like the summer pattern? Let me look it up. Is that a thing? Where was I at? So I don't know, patterns. It's just, I'm seeing this pattern everywhere. So I don't know, maybe it's just a coincidence, or it's just something that I noticed right off the bat. So I purchased the full face kit, which has 2 lip glosses, a quad eyeshadow palette, and then a bronzing powder, a matte one. And then I also purchased the Hot and Heavy face powder, which is more like a bronze shimmery one. I'm gonna see how I can use this, but it was just so pretty I like couldn't turn it down. So I'm gonna take these both out of the boxes. These boxes are so cute, by the way, but it's going in the recycling. Let me just go ahead and bust these open. So first I'm gonna open up the bronzing powder. This is the Hot and Heavy face powder, the opalescent finish. Whoop! And then here's just the plastic container. And then I'm really confused by that. I'm like so used to like the black, like this is like straight up plastic. So I don't know, maybe they were just doing that to save on costs or something. Who knows? But yeah, here is the powder. I think this would be like a really pretty, like maybe like a highlighter or something. I'll figure out how I can use this. I think this would be like really pretty on like, do you see that? I think it'd be like really pretty on like those deeper skin tones. So I'll probably like add this to my kit after I've tried it out, but that is so pretty. Okay, so again, this is the MAC PatrickStarrr Hot and Heavy face powder. We're gonna go ahead and try all these products out, but I just want to show them to you first. And then here is the box. Everything, ooh, everything's packaged. Oh, it's all individually wrapped. How nice. Let me just get all this out of here. And then here is the card. The Summer Star Heat stroke makes the beat stroke. Show me how you get your best summer glow. XOXO PatrickStarrr. PatrickStarrr. Hashtag. So it just gives you all the info. And this is actually a really cool card. I'm actually really digging this. I'm going to keep this card, which has that same pattern, and just like one of those, you can get those sheets of paper, like practice makeup looks on and things like that. I am going to actually keep this and use it as like a backdrop for part of my scrapbooking. Everything is wrapped in like this really pretty corally, pinky, neon kind of wrapping. These are the 2 lip glasses in here. Oh, whoa, this packaging is so different than their original lip glasses. Look how big this packaging is for, I'm sorry about my nail polish. Look how big this packaging is. So these are just 2 really good nudes. You have a more peachy beige nude and a more pinky beige nude. So, you know, no matter what, you know, end of the spectrum you like when it comes to nudes, you've got them right here. So these are a really good selection. I think I will definitely get wear out of both of these lip glasses. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you on my hand. This one is the more beige peachy one. This was in the shade Fashion Punch lip glass. That shade right there, that's really, really, really pretty. And then this one is going to be Cream Pie lip glass. Really, really, really pretty as well. Let's see, this is the quad eyeshadow. I don't want to get this on my white shirt. I already got foundation on my white shirt. And then here is the quad eyeshadow palette right here. This is Heat Stroke. So this is, you know, in the style Heat Stroke. And then, oh, cool. It comes with like little protectors. Here, oh my gosh, look at these shades. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is literally like right up my alley. So stunning. Let me swatch these. Look how intense that is. What? This red is calling my name. Oh my god. A peachy one. Okay, cool. I'm excited to try those. And then let me just go ahead and swatch the bronzing powder right here. Here's the compact. It's in the shade Give Me Life. Oh, that looks like a really good, like, so it might be a little dark for me. I might have to go really light-handed with this, but I definitely want to try it out. Let me swatch it. Maybe it's not as intense. It's definitely a bronzer, not a contour, for sure. Oh, actually, you know, I'll work for a bronzer. So, all right, cool. I can't wait to try all this out. So it all swatches nicely, but we have learned, you guys, that swatches mean jack shit in the makeup world. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna have all the products I'm wearing today listed in the description box because I've been getting a lot of questions because I'm not doing my foundation in every single video like I used to. Like when I would do like a review on things, I would do my whole face. I wanted to shorten videos or like focus more on the product, so I started just like doing everything else. Whatever I'm like not featuring, I'll do that. So we are gonna start the eyeshadow because you know eyeshadow is my jam. I am an eyeshadow addict. And we are going to be starting out with my favorite Sigma E40, literally the greatest all over blending brush for transition shades, the best one on the market, hands down. I might have linked to it down below, you guys. And I also have my coupon code. It's just Sigma 2018, you know. So it's not like me, my personal coupon code, it's just the affiliate code. So I'm going to go right in with that peachy transition shade right here. It's so pretty. And we are just going to start blending. Oh, right off the bat, look at this. I forgot how much I love MAC eyeshadows, you guys. I haven't used MAC eyeshadows in like a billion years. And I forgot how much I love them. I love MAC. I'm such a MAC girl at heart, you guys. And it's like, I have so many brands like I love, but it's like, even though MAC might not have my favorite eyeshadow formula or my favorite this formula, whatever, it's the only brand where I like basically everything they have. So like I do have brands where it's like I prefer, they're my favorite, you know, brand for eyeshadows, or they're my favorite brand for foundations, yada yada yada, but MAC and Makeup Forever are hands down my two #1 brands that I just love everything. I want to congratulate him as well on collabing with MAC. Like MAC is it. And if you are selected to like collab with MAC, you're not just saying like, oh, we do a shade. I mean, he does whole collections. Like, that is amazing. Congratulations, PatrickStarrr. I am so proud of you. I know you don't know who I am, but you are amazing. And I'm very, very, very proud of you. I am going to take the Sigma E25 and I'm going to be dipping it in to the shade right here. I'm focusing it right here. Oh, you guys. I'm just stamping it right here to build up that pigment. Like right here on the outer corner, just to add definition. And I'm going to be stamping it here. I have big eyelids, you guys, so I have a lot of ground to cover. So if it seems like I go up high with my dark shades, it's because I have massive eyelids, you guys. Like creepily big to where it's almost disgusting. And I get made fun of for it. Oh my gosh, look at you guys. These are blending so well. I wonder if they like amped up the formula when they collaborated with him, because like I don't remember, like I know I love MAC eyeshadows, but I don't remember them being this good. Like this is amazing. I go back in with some of that transition shade, bring a little bit of lightness and warmth back up there. I don't want it to get like too dark. Okay, I'm gonna take my MAC 242. It's, you know, suitable for this, and I'm kind of living for that red. Like I'm trying to think what I want to do because I want to use that red. And I'm going to spray some, well first let's see how it is without Fix Plus. What? Y'all. Holy mackerel. Oh my goodness. I have never ever not had to use Fix Plus with a MAC shimmer. Because the shimmers don't shim. So I'm going to now go in with this shade right here. Now I want to shim more than the other ones, so I am going to go in Fix Plus. Because I'm going to put it right here on the center. I'm just adding a little bit of dimension. They're pretty. I'm actually going on the inner corner and the center. Because I wanted that red underneath. I'm going to go back in with that brown and really warm this up. Oh yeah, you guys, I am living for that. I am in it. I am obsessed. You guys, while it's available, go on to Ulta.com and purchase this. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my MAC. This is the Dip Down Prolonger Fluid line right here. In with the brown shade, the dark brown one, with a pencil brush actually. I'm going to take the red, that really rich shimmery red, I am going to take the Sigma, I'm going to take the Sigma E45 and that original transition shade, the peachy one. Time to try out the bronzing powder, so I'm going to pick this, I'm picking up the bronzing powder in the shade Give Me Life. I'm really excited to try this out, you guys. So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever brush. I'm just going to take this end right here, swirl my brush in. What is that on my face? Oh, that's a really pretty bronzing color. It's like a terracotta color. It's more on the warmer side, so if you do like a more cooler bronzer, you're not gonna like this, but I like it. It really reminds me of the shade-wise, the NYC Sunny Bronzer, and then the NYX one that I used years ago that I was obsessed with. It really reminds me of that one, so I think that's why I like it so much. It just kind of brings me back. I'm gonna take a little bit and see if it's just too warm for contouring. Take the other end of this. That's actually really pretty, you guys. I love that. I need some blush. So I'm loving the bronzer. It looks so pretty. I'm just going to clean up here, just make it look more like a contour, I think. See? That's it. Just that. Nothing crazy. Alright, so now we are going to be trying out the Hot and Heavy face powder. This is the pearlescent one, or this is the opalescent one. I want to take my Makeup Forever highlighting and contouring brush right here. I love this. I want to see how it looks. Ooh, so now it's like a full-on highlighter, but I'm just taking it and I'm like dusting it over my bronzer and blush just to give it, ooh, a beautiful sheen. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna take it on my nose. So it's not like a full-on like super bling highlighter, but you see that? Like, I'm just kidding. Just kind of like, this is gonna be that powder that you use when if you're like super pale, this is gonna be like way too dark for you, just letting you know. But when you're tanner like me, or you have like a medium skin or a deeper skin tone, this is gonna look so pretty. I am loving that. And of course I want to put some regular highlighter over top. There it is with some highlighter. Now I think we're gonna go on and try the glosses. I did swatch them, but I'm gonna go ahead, let me get some lip liner. I'm just gonna take some MAC Strip Down. Completely filling my lips in with MAC Strip Down. Do they have this in a lipstick? Because I'm obsessed with this lip liner. This is actually my second one because I'm like in love with this so much. Alright, so now I don't want gloss. I'm thinking the more peachy one just because I'm using like gold and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply to the center. Not all over because I want to have like dimension to my lip. Look how full your lip looks when you just do it in the center. So full. And then we just, of course, have to set it. So I'm going to be festive and use my MAC Fix Plus to set it. Alright, you guys, so that is it for the look that I created using the new MAC PatrickStarrr collection. Oh my gosh, you guys, I give this collection 9 out of 10, you guys. The only reason I'm not giving it 10 out of 10 is I think there should be a paler option for this, and I think that they should release the powder. So overall, of the products that are released, they are like 10 out of 10, but like I think they could have added a couple more things to the collection, but otherwise I am obsessed, you guys. Like these eyeshadows blended so good and they were so pigmented, like without Fix Plus, you guys. So I am thoroughly impressed. I'm literally just like so happy with this collection. I'm so happy that they want to collaborate with him again. I think that first launch was just so successful and he's just such a genuine, kind person that they want to collaborate with him, and I'm so glad he's doing this thing. He's in his lane and I'm really, really proud of him. So incredibly happy with this collection, you guys. I cannot wait to use it more and more and more. Oh my god. So if it's still available, I'm gonna have a link to it down below, but definitely if you see anything from the PatrickStarrr MAC collection, whether it's at MAC Cosmetics, MACcosmetics.com, or Ulta, pick it up. It is so worth it, you guys. It's gonna be everything for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you took something away from it, and I hope that you were just entertained. If you have any other video requests, make sure to put them down in the comments. And I hope you guys are enjoying the uploads Monday through Friday. Let me know if you guys are. Let me know if it's too many videos. Just let me know down below. And don't forget to answer the question of the day. I really want to know what you guys did for the 4th of July. Is there anything else I want to cover other than, if you're new to my channel, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and hit the notification bell next to where you subscribe so you miss any of my uploads. I will see you guys down in the comments. I love hanging out with you guys down there. And make sure you follow all of my social media. Links are down below. And yeah, I think it's everything. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Mwah! Goodbye.